Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the Northern Coastal Highway. This is a highway that runs from Negril to Montego Bay, all the way back to Ocho Rios, all the way to Port Antonio. It runs along the entire northern coast of Jamaica. So the government announced some time ago that it was going to be expanding this highway. They're going to spend 120 billion Jamaican dollars to expand this highway. So the section between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios is going to be expanded to 4 lanes. So we are driving on the outskirts of Falmouth. So to our left is Falmouth. So this falls within the Montego Bay to Ocho Rios section. So this road is going to be expanded to 4 lanes. And also they are going to put in 2 bypasses. Discovery Bay is going to get a 4-lane bypass, and Runaway Bay is going to get a 4-lane bypass. So as you can see, there is a lot of space on this road for the expansion. I'm not sure why it's going to cost 120 billion, because the road is already cut and you can clearly put 2 more lanes on this road quite easily without disturbing any trees or anything. But that's what they said it's going to cost, maybe because of how long it's going to be running from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios. Perhaps that is the reason why it's going to cost so much. And just to give you perspective, the government said they're going to spend more money on expanding this highway than they have on any other road project in modern times in Jamaica. That's how much money they are going to spend. So I guess the distance, maybe why it's going to be so expensive, I'm not sure, but it's estimated to cost 120 billion. Now the project hasn't started yet, and no start date has been given. They're still in the planning stage, but they do know what they want to do. They want to expand this to 4 lanes and put in 2 bypasses, and the routes for the bypasses have already been determined. It's just the financing that they are looking to do. Actually, I think the contractor has already been chosen, and we all know it's China Harbour Engineering Company. So the planning has reached some advanced stage, just that no start date has been announced yet. Although I did notice at a different section they were digging down to the side of the road, but I haven't heard of any start date for this project yet. If anybody knows, you can let us know. Leave a comment in the section below, but this project is supposed to get started soon, and the contractor was appointed and it's China Harbour Engineering Company. So the government said that this road is very busy, and it has gotten so busy that they need to expand it. Now remember also that the most popular, the airport that has the most traffic in Jamaica, the most used airport in Jamaica, is actually the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, because you have more tourists coming into Jamaica than you have Jamaicans traveling. So when the tourists come into the Sangster International Airport, they then go towards Negril, Ocho Rios, Falmouth, Port Antonio, so they use this road quite a lot. So that's another reason why this road is being expanded, because there is so much tourist activity along this corridor. And also in Ocho Rios you have the main tourist attractions. You have Duns River Falls, which is the #1 tourist attraction in Jamaica. You have Mystic Mountain, and you have Dolphin Cove. Those are some of the top attractions in Jamaica. So you find that you use this road to access those attractions. So let's say a ship comes into Falmouth, a cruise ship, then the tourists are going to be using this road to get to Ocho Rios every day, and you can't have how would you say now? anything hampering or stopping the tourists from getting back to the ship before it leaves, because the ship will leave them. So that's another reason why this road is so heavily used. But it also connects some major towns in Jamaica. You have Port Antonio, then you have smaller towns like Aracabessa, Tower Isle, then you have the massive town of Ocho Rios, St. Anne's Bay, Draxhall, Runaway Bay, Discovery Bay, Falmouth, Duncans. All of these massive or large towns in Jamaica are connected by this road. So it's a good thing that they are doing this. You have to love any progress. It's good progress. But I must say that the government is doing a good job with these main roads and highways. Now the secondary roads or the residential roads, the community roads, that we'll discuss in another video. But in terms of the highways and these roads, main roads, especially on the North Coast, the roads on the North Coast are some of the best you'll find in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day guys.